Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am bringing you guys another Halloween look for 31 days of Halloween. Today I'm going to be doing the butterfly wing eyeliner eyeshadow trend, but making it a little bit more Halloween, so we'll have a fun wig and some fun eyebrows and lips and highlight and all that stuff. So since this look is so eye heavy, I already have my base done, but let's jump into how to do the eye look. So I want this to be kind of a rainbow butterfly look, so I am going to go into my Tammy X Makeup Revolution palette, and I'm going to start with yellow. So I'm going to start with my lightest colors on the inside. And for this look, you're going to want to bring it all the way up to about your eyebrow bone. So wherever that is for you, you're going to want to bring your first color up to there. So I'm going to start with my light colors and work a gradient of, I think I'm going to add some like purples and blues in here. It all just kind of depends on how I shade everything in as well when we do the liner. But I'm going to start with the yellow and I'm really going to build it up so that's nice and bright. Now I'm going to go into this turquoise color, same brush, and dust it on, making sure I blend the edges so that they create the ombre effect. I'm going to go into this matte purple shade. So now we're going to start doing the eyeliner. I am just using my liquid liner because it has a very fine brush and I don't have a finer paintbrush than this. So this is what I'm going to work with today. And we're going to start by going over the top of the shadow. So basically it's like you're going to outline it. Now that I have that lined over the top, I'm going to take it out further and create kind of how I want the edge of the wing to look. So this is up to you how you want to do this. So I do kind of like a wing liner, but just empty, and I'm going to fill it in with the liner. So I just brought this down a bit off camera because I wasn't quite sure what I wanted to do with it. But I just took this line all the way from the extended kind of wing down to the actual regular, like your eyeliner line. So now I'm going to do regular eyeliner over the top of this so that it all kind of connects and looks cohesive. Again, you don't have to do this if you're doing a different shape. Then I'm going to take this and I'm going to draw like a little half circle from the purple all the way down to the lash line again. Just like that, and then I'm going to draw two lines coming down from the big wing. And then from this top one, we're going to draw some lines down as well. Then we're going to add a little all black wing coming off the bottom. So I ended up going and adding some black in the middle here just to break it up a bit because I am going to add some colored dots, which is what we're going to do next. And I wanted to make sure it had some consistency in the look, so I wanted to put them kind of in the middle as well. So now we are going to take a small brush and do little dots with liquid lipstick. This is the NYX Suede lipstick in Pink Lust. To do this, I'm going to take a lip brush. In our eyebrows, and I'm going to do that with the orange color right here. I'm not blinding you all, right there. I take my normal bronzer and throw this on. I'm gonna add some blush. I'm just using this matte pink color from NYX. I'm gonna add some to my nose as well. And then for highlight, I'm going in with my Wet n Wild Rainbow Highlight and the biggest fan brush I have because I want this to be a heavy rainbow highlight. I don't want to take away too much from what we've done on the eyelids, so I'm just going to pop on some mascara. I'm not going to put on any false lashes because I don't want it to cover up the work we've already done. Now, if you're doing less on your lid and more on the outline and kind of outer parts of your eye, then sure, throw on a lash. You can do it where you just line the top and do like a really pretty gradient. I've seen a lot of people do it with green. It's very pretty, but it's up to you. My bottom lashes, I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild colored mascara in Violet. I am doing two colors. I'm going to start with the Pink Lust color that we used earlier. So I did throw my wig on. This is a $10 wig from Amazon. It actually is really pretty and really thick and actually fairly decent quality considering it was $10. So to finish off this look, I'm going to use the Stila, I don't remember what this one is. Yeah, the Stay All Day liquid lipstick in Venezia. It's just this bright kind of like hot coral, and we're gonna pop a little bit of this in the middle of our lips. So this is the finished butterfly look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you click subscribe down below and turn on the notifications, and make sure you check my Halloween makeup playlist, which is linked down below, so you can see all the other looks I've done this year and in years past. And I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.